Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be talking about, can you tour on a GT650? I mean, is touring possible on a GT650? My answer would be yes and no. So there's a slight, how I would say, it is possible to tour on the GT650, but it's also not so easy. The very first thing is the posture. Now I'm returning back from Tamni Ghat, which is around 60 to 70 kilometers from Pune. On the way I'm already getting pain on my shoulders, especially on my left shoulder. I don't know why. Then I'm also having fatigue in my lower back, and it's not pain but it's fatigue. So yeah, if you're taking this bike on a tour, especially, you can saddle up bags behind, it's easy. Top rack also is easily settable. I mean, everything can be set up easy because it's the back is same to Interceptor, and Interceptor can, people have gone touring on it, so that's a good bike for touring. So yeah, you can set up everything behind. The only thing you will feel the pinch is the posture. You're sitting in a very aggressive posture. You can, by just pushing your butt ahead and sitting like this, kind of something like this that I'm doing. Like I'm sitting almost towards the tank, like my butt is towards the tank, and I'm very up close to the handle. This is one way to reduce the fatigue, but the only compromise is on the gear. Now you can't shift gear very easily because you're in a very, very awkward position. Your legs are in a very awkward position. As you can see, my legs are behind. It's a very awkward position to shift gears. So this is one way you can tour a short distance, like so now you can do like 10 kilometers on this, 10 kilometers back to how you're sitting, and back to once you start feeling fatigue again, you can shift. You can keep shifting like that. That's one way, or one trick that I've been using. So that's one thing. Or second thing is, you can change this triple T, this part, and you get Interceptor triple T, fix that, and you can set up a dragster handle, and then you're good to go. I mean, whenever you're going on tour, you can just change the this triple T fork system. I don't know what this is called. I think that this is called triple T, but I don't know what this is called. But yeah, you can change this, go on your tour, come back, fit the clip-on handles back. So I think that's a good way, and that's what I'll be doing also eventually. Okay, that's a bad road there. Also, I've noticed when there's bad road, I can stand like this and just keep passing by, and it's a bit difficult on the GT, but yeah, it is doable. Like how on an ADV bike you just stand and go. Yeah, it is doable on this bike, but bit practice and a bit daring, because you're handling a 213 kg bike standing. You're standing and handling a 213 kg bike, so that's a bit difficult. But yeah, off-roads this bike can handle a bit, not a lot, but I've seen people taking this bike to extreme off-roading as well. You have to just be careful of the down some guard, because your oil filter and your oil pan tray is there only, so you have to be careful with that. Otherwise, you can go touring on this. You can keep shifting like this, keep shifting, sometimes keep alternating your hand. There's no cruise control, but they are Jugadu cruise controls that you can buy, fix them here, and just let your hand rest for some time, then back on the throttle. So you have to use a lot of tricks, a lot of tips, tricks and all, if you want to tour on this bike, or just change the triple T mount. Although you might have still problem with the gear lever, gear position, the foot pegs, I think that's manageable. So yeah, that is how you can tour on a GT650 by using some tricks, like how I told you. You can either go ahead, come back, you can keep changing your hands, you can stand when you're doing off-roading. It is a bit difficult, it's a bit risky, tricky, but it's still doable. So yeah, that's how you tour on a GT650. The saddlebags and all fit well, so that's not an issue. So with that said, I will see you in another video.